Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will generate the password when we click on this button. It will keep on generating new random password when you keep clicking the button. When you click on this icon, it will select and copy the password. It can be added anywhere then. For example, let me paste them in a notepad. We will be using HTML, CSS and JavaScript to do this project. So it would be good if you understand the basics of HTML and CSS. In terms of JavaScript, it would be better if you have an understanding of JavaScript Math, Loop, and Function. If you are not comfortable with them, I suggest you to watch my previous videos on those topics. I have added the link below. Before starting this project, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. Now, let's get started. I have created new folder for this project, JavaScript Password Generator, and opened them in my VS Code. Inside this folder, let's create a new file, index.html. We will create another file, style.css, and finally we will create one more file, script.js. Now open index.html and let's write some HTML code. For this title tag, I will update them to JavaScript Password Generator. Inside the body tag, I will add the h1 tag and write hello world. To check the preview, you can right click anywhere and click Open with Live Server. It will then open new tab and show hello world for us. Now let's import CSS and JavaScript. So just after the title tag, we will import the CSS. So I will use link tag, and inside href, I will add style.css. Before the end of the body tag, I will import the JavaScript. So I will use script tag, and inside src, I will use script.js. We will then test if the CSS and JavaScript works or not. So open style.css, and in h1, let's add red color. If you save the change, you can see the title has been changed to red. It means the CSS is working. Now open script.js, and here I will add alert with a string hello. If you save them, you should see hello is showing in the alert box. So both our CSS and script is working. Now let me remove this alert, otherwise it will keep on showing whenever we save the change. If you look at the design, there is some icon. It is font awesome icon, so we need to import them in our project. Open new tab and search font awesome CDN. Click the second link and copy this all.min.css. You can then go to index.html, and just after the title tag, you can paste them. In order to test them, you can open new tab and search font awesome. Click icons, and let's find the search icon, so you can type search. You can then choose any icon, copy the code, and paste them after the h1 tag. Once done, check the preview and you can see the icon. Finally, we will add the Google font. So open new tab and type fonts.google.com. You can then choose any font. I will use Roboto. Click Get Font and get embedded code. You can scroll down and click Change Styles. deselect everything, and I will only select the regular font style. Then click import, since we will be importing in style.css. So copy this import code, open style.css, go all the way to the top and paste the code. Now let's try to use them in the body. So I will add font family, Roboto, sans serif. Once done, check the preview, and we can see the Google font has been implemented. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will work on the HTML and CSS. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.